My name is Elian Gonzalez. You may remember me, you may not. The story of what happened is not written down. What remains are just people's memories. What happened to me wasn't a movie. It was a true story. It was a real life Thanksgiving story. Some may say it's a story of a little boy from Cuba whose mother died, trying to give him freedom in the United States. Others say it's a story of a boy shipwrecked in Miami whose Cuban father just wanted him back. It was always supposed to be my story, although a lot of other people would try to make their own. Life in Cuba is good for me, but many people say they cannot live here anymore. They say Cuba's president, Fidel Castro, is making it hard to live here. Many people are poor and can't find work. If they don't make money, they can't buy food or medicine or clothing. People who speak out or disobey his rules have to go to jail. Many people who want to live in the United States, some have already traveled to Little Havana and Miami, Florida. One day we were walking in the busy streets and saw lots of people gathered around. Some people were laughing, cheering, but then I saw other older people crying. The people had to move. There were people bringing in pieces of wood. Some people were helping to make this large boat. It doesn't look like a boat to me. Why are so many people watching? I'm kind of scared. Mama is hugging me, but I think she's kind of shaking. Lazaro, Mama's boyfriend, gave Mama a kiss. He said that we are not the Miami Mafia. We are brave. We're going to open doors for others. I don't know what that means. I think Mama doesn't believe him. She smiles though. Mama looks at me. She has tears in her eyes and kisses my forehead. She said, I will be brave. She said, I will be happy. There are so many people. They make me feel scared. Why are there so many people? Are they really happy? I think they're scared too. I was a kid. For me, it was a game. I was asleep when they took me, but when I woke up, I was on the raft made by my mom's friend, Lazaro and the other men. It is quiet at the sea. It is hot. Mama whispered to be brave and said it won't be long. The boat sank 2 days ago. They put me on the inner tube. I have to hold on to the inner tube with Mama, Lazaro, and amigos. I am so thirsty. I want to tell Mama, but I don't want to scare her anymore. Mama is scared, I know. My face hurts, but my lips hurt more. They taste like salt. I don't like salt anymore. It hurts. I'm glad I am 6. I fit better on with the tube. Yesterday 2 amigos fell off the tube. They were swimming, they didn't catch up. Nighttime comes and it's getting cold. In the dark, the water seems scary. I wonder if there are any sharks up here. I lift my head, look around, and fall asleep again. Mama covered me with a blanket. I woke up later and saw my mom and her friend arguing. When I wake up again, I only see my mom. Next time, I don't see anyone. I must hold on. Okay, I'm ready. I don't really know how long I held on to the tube. I cried and felt so scared and alone. There was a fishing boat that came close to me. I put out my hand and the 2 fishermen saw me. I couldn't believe it. I thought I was dreaming, but I wasn't. The men pulled me onto their boat and drove fast through the shore. The people wrapped me in a big blanket and rushed me to the hospital. Now I am in Miami and I have relatives here. I met some of my cousins for the first time. I have mixed up feelings, but I know one thing. I am glad to be alive. I survived because of my mom. Ayúdame, ayúdame. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? It is loud. I hear shouting and banging. Why is my uncle holding on to me so tight? Who's in the house? They are dressed scary with a gun. I do not like guns. I have my t-shirt on. What did I do? Was I bad? I was sleeping. Don't shoot the gun. Don't shoot the gun. I will be good. Ayúdame. I can't stop crying so hard. Please don't hurt me. Why are these people here? Where were they going to take me? I am just scared. I just want them to go away.
Life in Cuba is good now. I can't wait to marry my beautiful fiancée. I do miss my family back in Miami, but I don't think my life would have been better in the United States if I were to stay. I think I would have become a poster boy for a group of Cubans in Miami that tries to destroy the revolution, that try to make Cuba look bad. I would have been used in the way maybe I would have become an actor on TV, or maybe I would have more money than I have here, with more comforts. But I wouldn't have my family. I wouldn't have the tranquility I have in Cuba upon my return. I was promised that I would live a normal life, but every now and then I was criticized by anti-Castro Cubans. I think the best way to show They didn't brainwash me, and no one influences my decisions, is Fidel. Fidel put many things in my hands. Fidel told me if I wanted to be an athlete, he supported that. If I wanted to be a swimmer, he supported that. If I wanted to be an artist, he supported that. And he did. I was fortunate to receive an education at a military academic and earn a degree in industry engineering. I enjoy my job as a technology specialist at a firm that manufactures plastic containers. One day I will return to school, earn a master's degree, and I just hope that the relations between the U.S. and Cuba will continue to improve and our differences will clear up. Everyone can have their different point of view, have their political differences, but I don't think the countries and families should continue to be separated. I don't know when, but one day I'd like to return to the United States to visit my family and thank the people who supported my father, fight to bring me home to him in Cuba. My 2 feet, my body, my mind are in Cuba, but there are times when I think about the United States. I wouldn't be who I am. I'd not been in the United States.